2021 Fanverse presented by Imagine 2021. Registration deadline 15th June 2021. Individual participation, LGBT all and anyone from anywhere can participate. Fanverse is the competition's name. Fanverse, organized by Digital Art Society of Bharati Vidyapeeth College, New Delhi, brings you a great platform to get participated and appreciated for your one-of-a-kind creations such as a digital fan art competition. The topics are anime, Marvel, DC and Harry Potter. Guidelines: the participants need to submit his or her work only. Plagiarism will lead to immediate disqualification. The artwork should only be one theme. The format of the artwork should be in JPG, JPEG, PDF or PNG format. The file must be under 10 megabytes. The resolution of the artwork should be at least 1280 by 720 pixels. The artwork cannot be and should be in an aspect ratio. Platforms that can be used are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Clip Art Studio, IBIS Paint X. The submission window for competition will be open from 13th June 2021. An email regarding the submission process will be sent by 13th June. Registration deadline 15th June 12 a.m. IST and submission deadline 15th June, that is the 11:59 p.m. IST. What is at stakes? That is the rewards and prizes. The total winner will receive a cash prize of rupees 300. The first runner-up will receive a cash prize of rupees 200. All will receive participation e-certificates. The prizes and certificates will be released within 4 days after the event is over. Now, let us move on to the second competition. Monomacy monthly essay writing competition. Deadline 25th of every month. This month's topic, that is June month topic, is health and lifestyle. Any health related practices to keep yourself mentally and physically fit. For example, yoga, aerobics, pranayama, etc. Please note that the theme is health and lifestyle and participants are free to choose a topic of their own which is relevant, informative and well researched. Submit your essay online through link which is given in description box, or if it's not in description box, please check the pinned comment. Important deadlines: last date of submission 25th June 2021. Result announcement first week of July 2020. Result announcement link given in description box or pinned comment. Essay submission link also given. The judgment criteria will be based on your logic, survey, writing style, innovation, structure, etc. They will not judge copied essays and it will be rejected during the screening process and no certificate will be issued. So please do not copy anything from the internet. Rewrite the essay in your language. Most important, only communication is through mail. Considering large numbers of participation, we cannot take up calls regarding your queries related to essay submissions. Please read FAQ by clicking here. We will see FAQ later. Now, if any doubt still exists, please feel free to contact essay.monomacy@gmail.com. Guidelines: language, you can write the essay in English, Hindi or Bengali. Nationality, any categories. 2 junior and senior categories. Below 14 years, junior category. Date of birth is a must. Be above 14 years, senior category. There's no upper age limit. Registration, no registration required, no fee is required. Submission through only essay submission model. Here are the following rules related to the competition. Declaration of result will be given in Facebook page, other social media and websites. Now let's look at the awards and prizes. Junior category prizes: first prize is a trophy, second prize Italy travel box, third prize is a books. Consolation prizes: 50% discount on pens and books. Sponsors: www.wonderquest.in and www.incurethought.in. Senior category prizes: first prize trophy, second prize medal, third prize also medal. 3 consolation winners will also get books and 50% discounts on pens and books. Sponsor is IncureThought, www.incurethought.com. The essays will be grouped as first, second, third, editor's choice, essay, outstanding, praiseworthy, worthy, not worth mentioning. There are only 3 physical prizes in the form of trophies, Italy travel box, and 4 books sponsored by Incure Thought. Apart, 3 junior category prizes will receive voucher for free complete robotic coding class. Here are the fresh details. Other rewards: a few selected articles will be included in digital magazine, Weavers and upcoming books. After successful publication of 16 or more essays, poems, stories in www.monomercy.com, a special dedicated digital book will be published for participants free of cost. The digital book publishing costs rupees 2500. These participants whose articles are published in website will have one more opportunity to win physical prizes such as cash prizes, personalized pen, medals, books, etc. If article find popularity among readers, viewers of the website, here are guidelines. Cash prize is 1000 INR if the actual unique visit are above 10,000 visits. Cash price rupees 500 INR rupees if the actual visit are between 5,000 to 10,000. Personalized pen, medal, book, novel costing about 300 to 400 rupees. Any of these prices as per the winner's choice whose article has visits between 2000 to 5000. The representative images of pen, book, novel are shown in link. There will not be any result announcement separately. The participants can mail us they have received an excellent review from readers and viewers after 3 months of publishing. After examining from our side, the eligible participants will be rewarded above mentioned prizes. Participants can narrate essay and send us their audio video presentation and can win the Star Presenter Award also. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita Isir, Indian Talent Olympiad YouTube channel, and Competitive Time Entertainment Academy. See you in the next video.